Go and collect the trophy and enjoy the evening.
Thanks a lot.
Now for Mahendra Singh Dhoni, every trophy in the world in his cabinet. It was World Test Match #1, the ICC World Cup, the Champions Trophy, the World T20. Add to that a couple of IPLs and Champions Leagues, and he's done everything that a captain can. And I think he's now got a team that is genuinely his team.